today we're on a little walk around the neighbor village from where we stayed last night, and you would imagine it to be really quiet here, but actually it was extremely noisy every now and then. So there was dogs barking and there was music playing, so it wasn't really that much of a quiet night. You can see the two swastikas on the wall, and they have nothing to do with Nazi Germany. Instead, it's a symbol for wealth and happiness. Okay, so we're going to see a monkey temple now. Lots of monkeys, supposed to look like from the Jungle Book. Let's see.
Okay, so please keep distance. Don't put your cameras in their face because they do bite.
The Monkey Temple is part of an ancient Hindu pilgrimage site called Galtaji. The site consists of several temples built into a narrow crevice in the hills that surround Jaipur. A natural spring emerges high on the hill and flows downward, filling a series of sacred water tanks in which pilgrims bathe.
Blessing by the priest with a red dot. That's actually a blessing, and a little wristband. Good luck. So yeah, hopefully it will work for the rest of the journey. So we just arrived at the next hotel. Now we're in Jaipur, which is also known as the Pink City. And let me give you a little tour of my room. This is it. Looks really nice. I got a little outside balcony area, so yeah, looks great. So I get a private room now because unfortunately my roommate Sigurd, one of the Norwegian guys, got really sick. I think he's got a throat infection, and I've had a throat infection myself last year, and I've been struggling with that every now and then, so I really didn't want to catch it. So I asked if I could get another room, and I got it. The view from the hotel. Very Indian. Butter chicken, but turns out butter chicken just means chicken bones, but not meat. So if you take a look, it's only bones with absolutely no meat on them. So yeah, that's your punishment for wanting to eat meat in a vegetarian place like this, because most people here, they're vegetarians. That was definitely the worst meal so far in India, so I guess it can only get better from here.
In the afternoon, we visited a traditional Indian carpet factory. The sellers were particularly successful with the older ladies in our group. The Raj Mandir is one of the best places to go see a Hindi film in India. It looks a bit like a giant pink cream cake with a pastel-colored auditorium and a foyer somewhere between a temple and Disneyland.
So this is probably one of the nicest cinemas in India, and we're here right now to watch a Bollywood movie, so that's gonna be fun.
We just opened the gates and everyone's running in.